Long ago, much of what is now Utah and parts of Nevada and Idaho was covered by a gigantic lake called Lake Bonneville. If you stood here about 15,000 years ago, you would have seen a vast body of water stretching across valleys and up mountainsides. Lake Bonneville formed during the last ice age when the climate was much wetter and cooler than it is today. Water from rain and melting snow filled the basin, and because it couldn't escape quickly enough, the lake grew larger and deeper. At its biggest, Lake Bonneville was about 1,000 feet deep and covered an area even bigger than today's Great Salt Lake. As the climate became warmer and drier, Lake Bonneville slowly shrank, leaving behind smaller bodies of water. The largest remnant is the Great Salt Lake, but other features like Utah Lake, Sevier Lake, and the Salt Flats are all part of Lake Bonneville's legacy. The real question, though, is how do we know this ancient lake existed? One of the clearest pieces of evidence is the series of flat, horizontal lines that you can still see on mountains around northern Utah. Often called benches, terraces, or the shoreline, these lines are like giant bathtub rings, showing where the water level used to be. Other clues include thick layers of sediment left behind on the valley floors and large deposits of salt and minerals, like those seen at the Bonneville Salt Flats. When you spot these ancient shorelines, salt deposits, or fossils, you're seeing direct evidence of a massive lake that once filled the region and shaped the landscape we see today.